Are you pregnant and you find yourself snacking all the time without getting satiated? Why not try pairing your snacks with ingredients that are high in healthy fat and protein to help you regulate your blood sugar levels and your satiety? This snacky apple and peanut butter mix is a perfect combination with a lot of protein and healthy fat from the peanut butter, protein and fiber from the chia seeds, fiber, carbs, and antioxidants from the apples, and so much more. You can also jazz it up with a little bit of black seeds to make it prophetic inspired. Remember to not overdo the black seeds, as it can become unsafe during pregnancy when used in higher doses. I hope you like this and you're gonna try it. Assalamu alaikum.